This is the communique as a result of today's meeting. The Board of Trustees of the PDP at its emergency meeting today, Wednesday, February 5th, 2025, thoroughly considered critical issues in the party and resolved as follows. 1. The Board of Trustees asserts its position as a prominent organ of the PDP as enshrined under Section 13(1)(r) of the Constitution of the PDP as amended in 2017. The BoT also asserts its inherent authority under Section 32(5)(a) of the Constitution of the PDP as amended in 2017, which empowers it to ensure highest standards of morality in all the activities of the party by acting as the conscience of the party with powers to call to order any officer of the party whose conduct falls below the norms. 3. The BoT, in exercise of its constitutional powers, received, exhaustively considered, and hereby adopt the report of its committee led by Barrister Kabiru Taminu Turaki, SAN, on the issue of the National Secretary of the PDP, especially with regard to the declarative judgment of the High Court of Enugu as upheld by the Court of Appeal. Consequently, the BoT, by adopting the report, recognizes Honorable Sunday Udeh-Okoye as the substantive National Secretary of the PDP in full obedience to the declaratory judgment of the High Court of Enugu, as also upheld by the Court of Appeal, there being no contrary or overriding judgment from any court of superior jurisdiction. The BoT charges the National Working Committee of our great party to recognize and immediately swear in Honorable Sunday Udeh-Okoye as the National Secretary of the PDP in obedience to the judgment of the Court of Appeal. 6. The BoT urges all party organs, critical stakeholders, leaders and members across the country, as well as all democracy movements and development partners and institutions, to be guided by the judgment of the Court of Appeal with regard to the position of the National Secretary of the People's Democratic Party. 7. The BoT commends the PDP Governors Forum, the National Working Committee, Southeast Executive Committee, and all other organs of the party for their steadfastness in upholding the provisions of the Constitution and operational guidelines of the PDP. 8. The PDP expresses satisfaction with the PDP Governors Forum and National Working Committee for their concerted efforts in finally setting Thursday, March 13th, 2025 as the date for our much anticipated National Executive Committee meeting of our party, especially bearing in mind that the NEC meeting is the platform for critical deliberations that will shape the future of our party and by extension the future of Nigeria. 9. The BoT unanimously passed a vote of confidence on the chairman of the Board of Trustees, Senator Adolphus Wabara, and Secretary of the Board of Trustees, His Excellency Senator Ahmed McCarthy, for their outstanding leadership in piloting the affairs of the BoT and stabilizing the party. 10. The BoT urges all members of the party to remain united and continue to work together to strengthen our party to reclaim its rightful place in the leadership of our great country. Thank you very much. May we rise for a national anthem.